Yes guys, mga ligo na sad mi. Of course with them. We use banana leaves for our
Pandong.
For now it's pandong, but later it's our plate.
Yeah.
We're gonna do
We
a
have banana
budol
leaf
pa.
to cover.
Yeah.
To cover our sins.
Yeah. To cover our sins. Ay, panghapak daw.
Sorry.
Lain ang manghapak.
May uling din.
Why uling?
Hala, ni blend kalas-kalasada ang color.
Guys, look.
Again to the sea of Santander.
Yeah. Z and Arbo.
Arbo.
Kuan daw, shortcut daw ni Pero. Long cut ma. Kusabot guys. Layo kami gibaktas. Parang namin sa I think we're going to Encantadia. My God, I want to see the calzada. Oh my God. There's a dog barking. Ever. And it's so slippery. Look. Asa mo, uy? Asa ka dyan? Okay ra. Ali, B. I'm tired na. Shh. Uy. Uy, kikapoy ko. Yeah. Sumba. Nagsugba-sugba sila. Yes, nagsugba-sugba sila guys. Ako'y biga. Literally.
Isa.
Diba? Bongga.
Alas ka, katabunan ako.
Tongtong na ang lamasa. Basin imo sikaran ha? Kani ba imo di ba basin imo masikaran makalimot ka. Bantay bitaw ba? Swaki, tada. Ang swaki klara oh.
Di, swaki man sabni ah.
Diba? LR. We're just having fun right now. Oh, siya. Atong vlogger.
So
Say
guys,
hi.
it's time to eat na. That's why I chop the pork.
Correct.
Basically, he's trying to say is he's chopping pork for our lunch. So we're actually eating right now, or we're actually here right
Sorry
now.
kay guys, isip ko. Sila ko ingos na.
And we're actually enjoying our summer vacation. Summer vacation.
Summer vacation. It's not summer
Short
yet.
summer vacation.
It's not summer.
Lete.
Summer. Lete. And some of our friends is here. Look. They're having a ha. See. Pa. Oh.
Tama to yun, tayo.
Our food. Saan ni?
This is our ulam guys.
Yan, nagkikit-kit.
Wala pa naman ko i-tip-tap.
Yes, some of our food here. Yeah. Biko.
Wala. Alam mo yung pagtimpla ay I'm so proud of myself. Kaya wala na overshine ang suka. Wala na overshadow ang suka sa meat.
So guys, I'm done chopping the pork and this one I
This
I
one?
ate this one.
Dahil.
It's done. Ay, salamat sir.
Dili. Lamas na ibutang diri. Kanang
Ayaw.
sakul. Mura sa tinilaw na pa. Di ba dam? Kana. Nang lamas ibutang. Butang yung suka. That's it. Perfect.
Ayaw. Asang oil na may oil oil sa baboy butang dia suka. Lamas then kuan da yung sili. Ag oil, na oil or lami.
Huwag gali na ron.
Isa ka idea nag-ikuan pa una.
Ayaw na lang nagikuha ang oil.
Sapo yan. I'm chopping the lamasterns.
Here, Lawrence.
Marinig ba ni?
Yeah.
Ako nagpalitan na.
Pwedeng
proud
ba't
of-
pagkapanit?
Oh, excuse me.
I'm proud of you, boy.
Ako galuto, ako ga marinate.
Ay, so,
Pwede ka ba?
mga ano mi? Alin na, mga una ta.
So what's our
Oy,
food for
gagi.
today's?
Ha?
What's our food for today's? Ikaw na
Our
yun.
food for today's
Okay.
is sea urchin and
Pork.
sea pork.
With banana and sliced bread.
Kita mo gud mi kuan kanang shark diri ba nya mong gisukba.
Then junk food na mo. Daghan kaayo. With biko. Pak. Uy, na junk food sa gana. Yeah, waiting right now.
Gila ba to yung uban? Ano ba mag-abli? Kasi to ganahan pa mukha o maglimpyo dito.
Siguangan mo
Yeah.
Ah!
Ang alabo na. Ang alabo.
Wala yung video man eh. Paningkamot. Pamahaw, paningapon, pamahaw. Iwa mo inahan. We're done and now we're going home. Yes, I'm so a bit tired. I'm not scared of my skin because how about skin guys? Look so tired. Yeah. And, hi boss, akong vlog. Akong kauban ng mga bata. So, pak. Wake up boy guys. Oo, pak. Jo, huwag niyo siyang iwan, Jo. Wake up boy, Jo, kulit tayo. So tomorrow we will be back to city, back to normal. Short vacation is done. Nag-enjoy ka?
Yeah.
Really? 1 to 10.
1.
So 1%.
mean 10. Being honest.
Nag-enjoy ka, Dam?
Teacher yan, ma'am.
I'm asking ba, nag-enjoy ka ba?
Little bit.
Little bit.
I'm super enjoy.
Yeah.
Super duper.
Next time again. Bye.
Baktiran ba ka na?
Actually, nami Santander nga na area daw kay ni Gross. There. Over there. So nice siya. Mayabas ang bayot. Kind of bored man guys. So nag-walking miya. Namin nakita na more property lot there. So wala may nakabutan na no trespassing.
I'm so what?
Nitry mig sud. Nangita mig bayabas.